Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when and where you are viewing this. My name is Mike. I am the Crypto Liberal. Are you panicking yet? Are you panicking yet? Because it's getting to the point of do or die, right? I am still of the opinion, I might be the only one left out here, that we're not going to 20K. I'm still of the opinion that my support line I drew like 3 weeks ago at this point is going to hold. Let's go look at it, right? You've seen this. If you've been on my videos, you've seen this multiple times. Look at that. It's still holding. Barely, right? Look at, we've been on there. Should we count them up just from the first time we came down and touched it? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17th day. This is the 17th day on this line. And I just tweeted out, right, that what I just said, right? It's do or die. We can't be bouncing on this line forever. Either we've got to start moving up soon, or I'm going to be wrong. You know, you got to do what you think is right for you. I'm certainly been wrong before. I know I could be wrong again. I'm not trying to give financial advice. I'm just trying to say what I'm doing, and I'm sticking with my line. My line has it is held perfectly on and that's the daily chart, right? So there's a few hours left in the day. We could wick below it and finish above it, or we could just, screw it and wick go all the way down to 20K, and maybe that'd be better because then we can just get it done with, right? But again, everybody that you see on crypto Twitter and crypto YouTube is calling for 20K. So to me, it's not going to happen. The big money is not going to just let everybody get what they want, right? So if everybody's saying 20K, we're not going to go down to 20K, stop and go back up. We're either going to go to 20K and then just keep going down for another $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, or we're not going to make it to 20K where everybody has their buy orders in. The big money is just not going to let everybody else get in where they want to get in. So here's the thing, right? I'm going to try to give you the reasons why I think we're about to move up. First is my line, right? Okay, let's go back to that chart. 17 days on this line. We're hugging it, right? We wicked down to it and touched it yesterday. There's a couple other days we were right on top of it, and we've wicked down a couple other times and touched it. It's held perfectly. I'm the only person on crypto Twitter and crypto YouTube that has told you about this line that I've seen. And so give me a like, give me a subscribe, because if this holds, man, that gives me some cred, I hope, right? But so let's hope it holds. But another reason, so I'm one of the reasons I think we're about to go up is because this line is held. It is held consistently, and every single time we've touched the line, right, or gone down to the line, we've finished above it on the daily. But here's the other reason I think we're about to go up. Japers, this is ugly. This is the weekly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks, right? 9 weeks. And if we don't finish by Sunday above 30,200 something, right? It'll be 9 weeks in a row of red. We're not going to just keep going down. And look at my resistance and support lines have kind of held perfectly here on the weekly too, even though it's the daily chart that I drew the line on. So 2 reasons right there that I think we're about to go up. Next reason is something I tweeted about, right? Today, the inflation numbers came out. Lower than last month. And so I think that gave some hope that, what the economy slowing, what the Fed is doing with raising rates, maybe inflation's being tamped down, and that gives some hope to the markets. And right, that's what support line is holding. 9 weeks in a row of weekly down. Can't keep doing that. Inflation is going down. 3 things. And right, we've been correlated with the market for months, 6, 7 months. It's just like an exact correlation with the stock market, and until this week. So this is reason number 4 or 5 that I think we're about to go up, because the stock market is going up, right? Again, the NASDAQ today is up almost 2.8%. The Dow 1.1, the S&P 1.8. So that's reason number 4. So my support line is holding 9 weeks in a row down. Inflation going down, the stock market is going up. 4 reasons. Number 5 reasons. Now I tweeted about this. Follow me on Twitter because I post updates there more frequently than I put videos on YouTube. Follow me on Twitter. I'm at crypto_liberal. So same name with the underscore in the middle. But look at this. We just saw how everything's going down, right? In the crypto world, Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, they're all going down. But look at this, Coinbase. When we're just getting killed in Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially in ADA, right? Coinbase is up like 5%. How is that happening? Right? And on good volume too. So the average volume is 9 million, 11 million shares traded today. Does somebody know something? So this is reason number 5, right? Number 5, and not just Coinbase, Voyager Digital, another crypto exchange, right? They're going up 5%, 6% today. Does somebody know something? Why would these be going up if crypto, I mean, they've been correlated with crypto. When crypto is sinking, Coinbase and Voyager Digital, I keep track of both of them because I am invested in both. Those have been sinking. I mean, they just gotten killed in the last 6 months. They've just destroyed. And but now all of a sudden you're seeing a little change, a little divergence with the crypto market. Why would that be? It's a long weekend coming up, right? So long weekend, six, right? Because the stock market isn't going to be back until Tuesday. So I think somebody knows something out there. They know they can't get into Coinbase, and they know they can't get into Voyager until Tuesday next week. So they're front running a little uptick in the market. So I don't know, 5, 6 reasons right there. I think we're going up. I'm sure I left out 1 or 2 as well. But I'm going to put that caveat out there. I could be wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. I hope I'm not. But no, I mean 6. I got 6 reasons. Whatever. Another one is the big money is not going to let the overall sentiment win. If the overall sentiment is we're going to 20,000, we are not going to 20,000. They're not going to let everybody and their brother and all their followers, they're not going to let everybody get in at the price that they want. Why would they do that? So either we're going to, if everybody thinks we're going to 22K, I mean, that's where the 200 EMA is, right? Moving average is. If everybody thinks that's where we're going, that's the bottom, and then you could buy in, everybody could buy in there and kumbaya, the big money is not going to let that happen. So either we're going to not go down there, or we're going to go there, and then we're going to keep going, and we're going to keep going, and we're going to keep going down, so the people that bought in at 20K feel the pain when we get down to 14K, right, or something. So I gave you 7 reasons, right? 7 reasons why I don't think we're going to 20K, why I don't think my support line is going to be violated. Now, if in a couple hours when the daily closes and we close below my support line, then I might be a little worried. I'm not worried yet. I'm not going to be worried until my support line fails. I mean, hell, we could glide along it for the next 3 weeks. We've been gliding along it for 3 weeks right now. And that would be just torturous, right? Could happen. It's crypto. Crypto is a strange animal. But that's all I have. I hope you all have a great weekend. I will make videos this weekend, so make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe. I am the only one that's told you about that support line. If you had traded that support line, every time we've wicked down to there and touched it, and you bought some, traded some, don't leverage trade, don't do it. But if you would have, you would have made some decent scalps, right? So give me a like, give me a subscribe, because when we do break up, I've got the perfect resistance lines to watch out for, and I hope to talk about them with you. I hope I get to talk about them because that means we're moving up and not down. I love you all. I hope you all have a great weekend. It's going to be an awesome weekend. I have a feeling we're going to move up. And that's it. My name is Mike. I am the Crypto Liberal. Have a good weekend. I love you all. Ban the guns.